Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Tesla Model Y, full wrap Xpel XRPlus, full tint with the XR Plus for the highest heat rejection available in the market today. 70% on the windshield, 15% on the doors, limo in the back, and limo on the roof, limo in the rear to get that 98% IR rejection, 99% UV A and B related to skin cancer rays. Let's take a look at our wrap. Just like always at Clearbrow, North Dallas, we are wrapping in all our edges. You won't see any edging, even around here. Everything gets wrapped underneath. The new front end is going to be like 3, where other installers don't have to be afraid to try to wrap around here and tuck it under. It's easy to do. We just don't share that idea. Our frunk, our bumper, everything's fully wrapped all the way around. Our tow hook removed, wrapped all the way in. You're not going to see an oblong line like most. Everything's in, everything's perfect. The surface, no interruptions with the adhesive, no silvering, no stretch marks. Everything's perfectly clear. It looks like the car was never wrapped. That's our goal. That's what we do. Our mirrors fully wrapped all the way around. We don't leave an edge on top. We wrap it all the way under. Our doors, we remove these moldings all the way in. No lines. Our door handles all the way in. We don't leave a line emulating this shape. It all gets wrapped in. All wrapped in, all the doors, front and back, all the way around, all the way to the bottoms. No lines at all on this door. 100% fully wrapped. 100%. These A-pillars, we remove this molding. It's simple. 100% fully wrapped all the way through. No lines. All the way down here, all the way under this molding for the quarter. This door, same thing. So this entire side of this car is 100% fully wrapped, no lines, 0. Our trim, everything's underneath. These come back real simple with a couple clips. Back in place they go. Wing, we actually removed this one. We don't like to, but we did. So there's no lines at all anywhere around this thing. This obviously comes off, goes underneath. These taillights come out if we needed to, but we don't. We have no problem getting under there, getting all this in. Our electrical port, we have no problems. All this all the way around. So much more the same on this side. So this is what I do here at Clearbrow, North Dallas. Everything is 100%. So there it is. Later on, we'll talk about this guy. He is a 911 Carrera. We're doing a stealth conversion. It's a gloss paint. That's the paint protection film in matte, which we refer to as stealth at Xpel. And that's how we do this. And then we will later get over to that other GT3 RS that's fully done. Sorry, I'm deviating from our wonderful Y. But we'll get over to this guy, and then we'll get over to this 63 Olds. Full wrap on that. And then that. So, and then this creature here, that's the new GX 550, fully done. We had some black accents, but let's get back to our Y. Everything looks fantastic, 100% on this car. If you want your car to look like that, come see us. We get, sometimes people like to say, can you get it done in 2 days? That's not what it's about. This car was here 4 days. It's about perfection. It's about getting it done right. Not every car can we wrap edges like all these. The Tesla car, they're very generous on leaving gaps. Doesn't mean it's a bad thing. The Lexus, there's some areas you couldn't get in, but they're tight. You won't be able to see it. Porsche leaves some nice gapping. They're all even, perfect. That car is built perfect, so on and so on. So there it is. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com is how you get us. Phone number 214-414-3809. Cell 940-703-8301. I'm Brent. If you have any questions, let me know. We've been doing this over 30 years. Be happy to tell you what you need to know and see if we can make you happy and get what you need. You know, some of these cars, we do some custom things on them with the colored paint protection. We don't use any vinyl. There's no benefit besides a color change. Paint protection film is the way it goes. 10-year guarantees, self-heals, defends against impacts like rocks and things. We've seen them do some pretty amazing things with concrete and lumber hitting the cars. So there's a lot to it, but it comes down to your installer and their experience. So we got plenty of that experience, and the installers here, they do not come in here, including myself, unless you do an excellent job. In a car, if we have a problem with the panel, we're not afraid to throw away a piece and start again. So there you go, clearbrownnorthdallas.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great Memorial Day weekend 2024.